Actually, this is the inside of the truck. I figured I'd do that first. Go through and show, for the most part, it's in good condition. It is, it has been used. I have not had the truck detailed. I have not shampooed the carpets. I have vacuumed the carpets. But you will see that there's a little bit of wear on the carpets where they've been worn. I will have the mats back in, but I want to show the condition of the carpet itself. The seats, generally good condition, no major rips or tears. A little bit of staining, some spilled coffee and whatnot. There is, I want to show this one portion here. There's a little bit of wear through right here. I don't know if you can see that, and then this as well. That's because that's where I would get in and out of the vehicle all the time. Okay, so I'm going to shut the doors. Okay, and so the first thing I would do, sit in, just generally looking at the instrument panel. The instrument panel looks good. Again, I'm just kind of taking you through as if I were looking at the vehicle myself. No buttons missing, no knobs missing. Everything looks to be in order. Again, over on the passenger side as well. Okay, so this will be a cold start. The first thing I want to do is turn the key on and check for all the proper lights to come on. So we do have the check fuel, the check engine, seatbelt, check gauge, door jar, battery, and the airbags. Again, I'll do that again just in case you didn't catch them all. Okay. Okay, so just go through the electronics a little bit. Wipers work, of course. The lights work. I'll go out and demonstrate those in a bit. Radio works.
From mainly get up just like location or 6300. You'll stay.
Okay. We'll start the vehicle. Use a cold start. You can see it comes right up. Actually, I'll go back and do that again. I want to show the gauges. We have oil and battery charge. You can see we got the temperature. That'll come up here in a moment. And the fuel. I'm going to go back and restart it. What I want you to look for is the four-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive lights. They come on at startup. So let's turn it off. So again, we have the four-wheel drive, high and low, come on. And I'll demonstrate them working here in just a moment. Pop out here, come back to the tailpipe. You can see running very clean, no smoke. I've kept very good care of this truck. It's been, like I said, it's been my daily driver for a long time now. Well, I've owned it since 2004, so about 10 years. Really, the only reason I'm selling it, well, two reasons I'm selling it. I owe a lot of taxes, and I was using this to tow the boat. I already sold the boat, and now I need to sell the truck so I can pay the rest of my taxes. So let me lift the hood here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. In fact, I'm going to shut this off and start the next video.